How are you? Ready for some yoga? We're going to lunch.
The Escape makes me just feel a little bit more secure. It gives me just a little more peace of mind knowing I have an extra set of eyes on the road. This is just really the right vehicle for me. My name is Danielle Rosenblatt, and I'm a driver assist technology engineer at Ford. You can't predict what everyone is doing, and when something unexpected happens, it just leaves you with a feeling of anxiety. Pre-collision assist warns me and brakes for me if somebody stops suddenly. We all know what a distracted driver looks like. Having Bliss just gives you that little extra sense of security when switching lanes. The vehicle has your back. With this new active park assist, all you do is hold down a single button, and the vehicle does the rest.
I wish my car had this. Actually, I wish a lot of my friends' cars had this.
It's one of the things that I love so much about the Escape.
I like this.
Sure beats doing it myself.
This is pretty, yeah, badass.
This is the biggest moonroof the Escape has ever had, so that means a lot more light and fresh air, and it makes the vehicle feel even larger. With adaptive cruise control, once you engage it and set the follow distance, you're good to go.
I don't even know how to use the cruise control on my car, to be honest. It's a lot of different buttons, so I'm kind of jealous.
With selectable drive modes, you can adjust to changing conditions and surfaces. It's so easy, and you can do it on the fly. Now that I have Wi-Fi in my car, working remotely has taken on a whole new meaning. The fact that I can work off of my laptop if I need to makes a big difference.
In the midnight hour, you came alive.
And no matter how you drive, Escape has engine options for you, including EcoBoost and hybrid engines. Inside, it feels super spacious, and there's tons of room for cargo. And the new sliding second row makes ins and outs super easy. It's simple, and it works great. Lane keeping detects when your vehicle is drifting, and it helps correct your path. It's really important to be able to stay focused on the road and not have to move your eyes around. That's why we added the head-up display.
Didn't seem so strange.
Hey!
I was busy trying to calm that snake. When the sun came up, we had no place to hide.
I bought it because it fit everything that I needed. The 2020 Ford Escape.
But I love it.